Hey guys, and welcome to the DragonDrop theme's Crosssell tutorial for the sales team. In this tutorial, I'll break down the cross-sells that we have on the demo store. Firstly, you want to enter a name for your offer, which will only ever be visible to you. Be as descriptive as possible. Secondly, you can choose between upsells or cross-sells. The difference is that a cross-sell adds a product to the shopping cart, where the upsell replaces it with a more expensive version of it. I'll go into more depth on upsells with the upsells tutorial, but we'll talk more about the cross-sells now. Now before we begin, as always, remember that you need Ajax cart enabled in the store settings. If you haven't changed anything in your theme, then this is enabled by default. But if you are not sure, then watch the store settings tutorial. I'll go to our first cross-sell, which is the Dana shoe cross-sell. We've included every single shoe variant in here and are offering them some clear boot dressing, leather cleaner, and some waterproofing spray. Here's a quick example of this cross-sell in the wild. We can choose to only show this cross-sell on certain days or if the cart value matches something more specific. For example, if I only wanted to show this if the user had more than a single boot in the cart, then I would put in a cart value limit here of the price that is more than a single boot. We can customize the offer title and description here. We have a bunch of advanced settings that I will go through. The first one is the select multiple products checkbox. You want this activated if you have more than one offer product like we do here, but if you just want it to be limited to one product, you can unselect this. You can also choose to allow the customer to select how many of each product they want. You'll see an example of this in our next cross-sell example. The third option allows the customer to click through to the product page itself to make the purchase for each product. Lastly, you can choose to hide out-of-stock products. Now let's take a look at our second cross-sell, and I can show you the multiple quantity selector in action and a brief look at the settings. That's it for the tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any issues, then check the FAQ. If you have any questions, then shoot them through via email, help desk, or live chat.